Hello, hope you're doing well today. And I'm hoping I can upload this video. My internet has been sucky. Anyway, I got a few items here to open up and show you what we got here. Another step on our independence, I guess you'd call it. We'll get into that coming right up. Alright, well, let's go ahead and open this first package up. I don't want to cut into anything on the inside here, so I'm going to be, let's see if we can just rip, well that was easy. What do we got in here? We have got 5 pounds of powdered sulfur. Most of you can guess what we're getting upon here. I'm going to set this back here. And we'll just toss that. Now let's open. Well, I guess we can open it like this. Anyway, the last American company that makes black powder is shutting down. They are trying to find a new prospective buyer, or I guess that's what you'd call it, for the company. But it's still very expensive. Okay, not just the black powder itself, but if you have to have it shipped to you, they tack on an extra like $35, $25, $35, somewhere in there for shipping. So anyway, and to go along with the sulfur, we got our powdered charcoal. We're going to end up trying several different charcoals because if you watch on the internet, some people tell you to use hardwood, some tell you to use softwood, some tell you to use this, some tell you to use that. And then we got our potassium nitrate in the form of stump remover. So we got those. So we got all of our chemicals that we need. Now this here is a rock tumbler. And hey, I guess when we're not making black powder, we polish up some nice rock. Well, let's see how this comes packaged here. Looks like it's all in a tray. Pull that out. I do see something underneath here. Oh, there's some things under here. Little strainer. Very detailed instruction booklet if you want to polish rocks. The grits and stuff. Pull this out. Now, if you're going to make your own black powder, please do not do it indoors. If you're doing it indoors, make sure it's a large shop area. That belt feels awful loose. We'll have to wait and see how it turns out. Well, whatever was in that's not in that anymore. Oh, it's the power supply. And some little pieces of jewelry. Your tumbler. And a little desiccant package. And an extra belt. I don't know if this... Yeah, it must be the same size. Anyway, we're going to be getting into making our own black powder. So you definitely want to stick around for that. I did get into another hobby. I picked up a laser engraver, which I might show you on the channel here in the future. Some rocks. Now, if you remember when I was making my own balls, when I was casting my own round balls, I had a lot that were imperfections. Guess what? They're going to go in the ball mill. And dang, that fits in there tight. I guess because when you're tumbling rocks, you put water in there. So stay tuned for that. What I want to do in the near future is I would like to take you out, do some shooting with our homemade percussion caps, our homemade black powder, paper cartridges. So in other words, our self-sufficiency, I guess you'd call it, as far as our being able to shoot, hunt, whatever. Anyway, I'm going to cut this really short because, like I said, my internet has been really sucky. The last couple of weeks, it's been like 0 point something download speed. A little bit better upload. Not much. It's been around 1 point something upload. So that tells you how bad my internet has been. But anyway, I want to thank you for stopping by. We got another video coming up real soon. I don't have it here. It's in the other room. About store-bought and close to hardtack. So stay tuned for that. I want to thank you for stopping by. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Click the little bell icon, then click all. And that way you'll be notified of all our videos. I did want to get this up because it's been a little while since I put up a video because of the internet. Hopefully I'll be getting that fixed in a few months. We just started working on our kitchen, so we'll be getting into doing some cooking with our preps in the near future. Hopefully near future. I need to get a saw to cut up some lumber and stuff, which I don't have, so we'll get into that. Anyway, have a great day. Thank you for stopping by. And until next time, stay prepared.